When I first moved here almost 4 years ago, I had no idea how the credit system worked. Fast forward to now, and honestly, I was surprised when I checked my score on the Commonwealth Bank app. How did I do it? Turns out, it wasn't magic, it was just making smart choices with tools like Afterpay and StepPay. Let's be real for a moment, apps like Afterpay and StepPay can be helpful, but they also come with risks. It's easy to overspend when payments feel smaller or when everything is just a few clicks away. That convenience can quickly lead to debt if you're not careful. Take a moment to observe your habits. Are you buying things you don't need? Are you keeping track of your spending? The key is to know the dangers and make smart decisions. Use these tools to manage your money, not let them manage you. Remember, financial health starts with self-awareness. Building credit might seem complicated, but trust me, it's all about consistency, responsibility, and using what's already at your fingertips. For me, the MVPs of my credit journey were Afterpay and StepPay. Afterpay's been a great tool for me, and if you haven't tried it yet, you can snag $30 off your first purchase with my referral link below. Think of it as a tiny gift for being responsible, or, for listening to me ramble about credit scores. So, Afterpay. I first started using it for big-ticket items I absolutely needed: a laptop, new tires, and a phone. These weren't impulse buys. They were essentials I was already planning to get, and Afterpay just made the process smoother. The golden rule: only spend what you can pay back immediately. No late payments, no overextending myself. That's the secret sauce. And I didn't even realize it was helping my credit until my second year here. Then there's StepPay by Commonwealth Bank. It's a bit like Afterpay but linked directly to my bank account. My limit is $600, not massive, but perfect for splitting everyday expenses. Again, I stuck to what I could afford, and I never missed a payment. Here's the thing, these tools didn't just improve my credit score overnight. What they did was create a solid track record of responsible spending. For example, my Afterpay limit grew to $3,000, and I only ever made 2 purchases over $1,500. That steady behavior builds trust, not just with the service providers, but with lenders. And honestly, Afterpay is like that friend who won't let you forget to pay them back. They're helpful, but also, they'll tell everyone if you don't. So yeah, keep them happy. Here are my top tips for building credit in Australia. Spend wisely. Use Afterpay and StepPay only for things you genuinely need. Pay on time, every time. Set reminders if you have to, because late payments. Not cute. Be patient. Building a good credit score doesn't happen overnight, but every little action adds up. Oh, and make it a habit to check your credit score. The Commonwealth Bank app makes it super easy. If this video helped you, give it a like. It's free, and there's no repayment plan attached. Subscribe for more simple, practical tips to make life in Australia a breeze. And hey, if you've got any credit building stories or advice, share them in the comments. Let's create a space where we can all learn and grow together, because adulting doesn't have to be a solo mission. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay responsible and keep building those points.